going well?
Yep.
Those big old gray clouds.
This stuff here, the shingles sticks to it.
Really?
Yeah.
I guess that's good.
Yeah. I didn't know it did that.
Me either. Uh-oh.
Huh?
The wind's getting up.
Yep.
I'm going to have to chase it down. All this that's headed to Steve's house. Gary come off the roof for a minute to get something and look at his face.
Ain't it pretty?
He got injured. Let's see the other side. Where's the actual cut at? Because you're bleeding everywhere. Okay.
It spread a lot.
Well, how did you do this?
Bumped it.
Really?
Yeah.
Early bird's coming off now?
That one right up on this side.
Yay. Don't get hurt no more.
I'll do my best not to. I'm not getting hurt on purpose, I promise.
Okay.
Because it hurts me.
Yes. I do believe you'll need a shower tonight.
Why? Not Thursday.
You're funny.
Okay.
Be careful.
What's for dinner?
I don't know yet.
Oh, that's good. It's my favorite.
Be careful. Okay, today is Tuesday and we're going to take the shingles to the transfer station. It was closed yesterday for Labor Day, so I'm going to get these loaded on the truck. I already was trying to get them loaded, and that brick right there that's holding the tarp, I fell over it. Let me show you what I did to Gary's truck. Which he says it's no big deal, I didn't get hurt, but I hated it. Can you see that? The shingles did that as I fell. Okay guys, I got it all cleaned up. I went over with the magnet, got a truck bed full, got all these nails and screws, lid on this, but some of the nails are actually in the truck bed, of course, because some of them was still stuck in the shingles, but I think we are good to go to the transfer station. I'm going to run our little magnet over the yard and go see where Gary's at. We're on our way to the transfer station. Woohoo!
When we entered the area, we had to drive up on a scale that weighed the truck with the shingles. After we unload, we have to pull back on that scale, and they will weigh the truck again and charge us accordingly. I was born and raised in this county, and when I was little, we had a landfill, and you didn't have to pay if you was a resident, so I don't know what happened with that.
Phew, it really stinks here. So I wonder if I could roll his window up, because it really stinks here. Now Gary's out uncovering our load. Shoot, does it stink? Cleaning out the bed. Shoot. I hope he hurries. And he left his door open.
mice and rats around here like crazy, and I have a phobia, so I just wish he would hurry and go. Ugh, so freaky. Wonder what all that water spraying is for. I guess it's water. So we was on this scale when we come in, and they weighed us, and now we've emptied the bed. Gary emptied the bed, and they're re-weighing us, and they will charge us based on the weight that we had. I am so glad to be out of that building. How much?
$19.50. I looked at it. Man, that's a heavy truck. I know I don't get no gas mileage. 5,000 some pounds. Who would have thunk it? Then take about 1,000 pounds off this thing, might do a lot better. I wonder if there's any way to do that. I guess set you outside might take. I've been to worse.
It looks good.
Huh?
It looks good.